The affordable, low-maintenance lifestyle you've been looking for is within reach here at Kirkwood Grove, where our new townhomes will check all of your boxes. Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Kirkwood Grove, an easy commute and conveniently located in a quiet area, just minutes from 295, I-10, and just 30 minutes from downtown. Several healthcare facilities, and only 11 miles from the Naval Air Station in Jacksonville. Let's have a look around. Entering from your attached garage, you'll walk into your spacious new kitchen, the heart of the home, in a great space to prepare your favorite meals and entertain. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The owner's suite is comfy and cozy with a large walk-in closet and dual vanities in the ensuite. And you'll love the convenience of having a second floor laundry. Oh, did I mention at Kirkwood Grove, yes, all of your appliances are included. Without question, our townhomes provide the indoor space and functionality you've been looking for. But let's not forget about your outdoor space. With a large rear patio just outside of your great room, you'll find yourself firing up that grill while taking in the beautiful Florida sunshine. And with a low HOA and exterior maintenance included, you'll have plenty of time to enjoy eating out at your favorite restaurants, catching a live sporting event, shopping, and more. When you consider all of the advantages, including location, style, functionality, Kirkwood Grove is the perfect place to call home, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. With an on-site loan officer and a team that will be with you every step of the way, making the move to home ownership is easier than ever. Thanks for watching. We look forward to meeting you soon.